In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer Solana from Binance to your Phantom wallet. Okay, so you can do this on both the phone app and also the desktop version. I've gone ahead and opened up the Binance app and the Phantom wallet on my phone, and I'm going to show you how you can do it on phone, but you can also do this on desktop. So as you can see, the total value of my Binance portfolio right now is $18. If I go to portfolio in the bottom right hand corner, you can see that it is $18 worth of Solana. Now, what we're first going to go ahead and make sure is we're all on the same version of Binance. So if you go to the profile icon in the top left hand corner, the Binance logo, you can then make sure you're on Binance Lite. So if I click here at the bottom, it will change to Binance Pro. For the video though, we're going to stay on Binance Lite. So if your interface looks like this, follow along. So to get your Solana out of Binance and into Phantom wallet, go to portfolio in the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll see Solana. It should make up a percentage of your portfolio. Go ahead and click on Solana. Then you'll see take out in the bottom left hand corner. You can go ahead and do that. Now you can go ahead and click withdraw, and that will allow you to withdraw to any Solana address. So click on withdraw, and now we need to give Binance an address. So go ahead and open up Phantom wallet and find your Solana address. So if you go to tokens here, you'll be able to then either find Solana, so mine is at the top, or if you go search, you can go ahead and find it this way. So make sure when you search Sol, you go ahead and click on the correct one. So that is tokens and then the Solana verified token. So make sure that it is the correct Solana. Then click on more, click receive, and that will give you an address and a QR code. You can copy the Solana address. So again, we've copied the address to the official Solana token. We can then paste that into Binance. It then should recognize the network. So that is the default Solana network, which is correct. Then we can choose the amount. I'm going to choose the maximum amount. We can then click on withdraw. Once you've clicked withdraw, it's going to ask you to confirm. You'll see all of the details here. You can then confirm this, and I'm just going to have to verify here with my two-step verification. And then now I've confirmed all of that, you can see the withdrawal is processing. And if you want to see it, you can go to portfolio in the bottom right hand corner, and here you can see crypto withdrawal processing. And just like that, we've now received it. So it should say complete now. Nonetheless, we've just received the Solana in Phantom wallet. So that was all pretty easy. And there you go. Now everything's updated. We've now got $18 back in Solana. So that was easy. That was quick. And I hope I could help you out.